Right way to use Glass Top Plus PS111. Start by flipping the scale and inserting the batteries into the compartment. Your scale is now ready to use. Place it on a flat, hard surface. Avoid using it on carpets or soft mats for accurate readings. Step on the scale barefoot when the display shows 0 and ignore the first reading. Use the unit button at the back to switch between kilograms and pounds. Large, bright and clear numbers on the backlit display makes it easy to read. Measures from 5 kilograms to 180 kilograms. For best results, check your weight in the morning on an empty stomach. After use, wipe the scale with a dry or slightly damp cloth and store it in a dry place. Avoid cleaning with water. For longer battery life, remove the batteries when not in regular use. Thank you.